Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the 3 levels of murder in Wyoming. This is Christina Williams with Just Criminal Law.
And this is David Mann, legal storytelling specialist. Okay, well, when it comes to legal stories, I think one that we have heard probably more than any other one is the fictional story of murder, because we see this in TV shows and movies and things all the time. But I bet most people don't really, we always hear like first degree murder, second degree murder, and I think most of us don't really understand the difference between these 3 levels.
Right. Yes. I mean, the main difference is first degree has the most serious penalty. Second degree is, less of a penalty. And then manslaughter is the least of the 3, the least penalty or the least severe penalty.
Okay, but they're all homicide charges. So it's somebody killing someone else, basically. So in order to understand this, why don't we do it like this? So that there's a situation, and we'll look at it through 3 different outcomes. So let's say it's say a wife has found her husband is cheating on her. So she's now like ready to kill him. So what happens at that point that makes it first degree murder?
Well, the main thing that the state would have to prove if the wife kills the husband because, he's cheating on her, is that she premeditated it. That is, she decided, I'm going to seek the ultimate revenge here. He's hurt me, and I'm going to plan how to murder him, and then I'm going to actually take the steps and follow through with the murder. That's the premeditated, kind of lying in wait. I'm going to kill a person. That's first degree.
Okay, so that's the maximum. So then we'll take it down 1 notch and we'll say, all right, so here we have the same wife with the same husband. She finds out that he's cheating on her, and now she's not going to kill him, but she is ready to really hurt him and uses some kind of weapon. How does that then result in second degree murder?
Right. So if she, decides I'm really hurt and I'm going to make him feel that same hurt, and, she picks up a knife and stabs him in the stomach with no intention of killing him, just hurting him. But, a week later, he ends up dying from the injuries. That's second degree.
Okay, so that's first and second degree. I can't really think of what manslaughter in this scenario would be. So how would you describe that third one with our same 2 characters here?
Sure. So say wife comes home early from work and she walks into the bedroom she shares with her husband and catches him sleeping with another woman. And, she grabs the gun or some other sort of weapon and, say shoots the husband and he's dead. She walked through that door with no intention to kill. She sees her husband in bed with another woman, and under that heat of passion kills him. That's considered manslaughter.
Aha. Wow. Okay, so that's 3 distinct different types of homicide charge that carry different penalties with them, I assume.
Yes, and, just depending on the facts and what the attorney can prove as far as your intent, that's really, up to the jury. But a lot of times they're given, say you're charged with a first degree, they're given the opportunity to convict you of a lesser offense. And so, it is fact dependent, and it all comes down to what was that person's intent.
All right. So we're going to hope that no one watching this actually has this problem. But in case they do, how do they get a hold of you to help them out?
Sure. We'll include a link in the description where they can call, text, or chat with a member of my team anytime, day or night. Here at Just Criminal Law, we know you only get one shot at justice, so make yours count.